Hello, my dear students. Do you often have diseases? That means any kind of illnesses? What will you do if you get any kind of illness in your body? Will you go to hospital or stay at home? Again, why are you staying at home? Why don't you go to school? All these problems are due to the ailments in our body. That is, if our body or any part of the body do not function properly, the condition is called disease. So, what is a disease? Disease means if our body or any part of the body not able to do its function properly, the condition is called disease. And what are the two different types of diseases? The diseases can be generally divided into communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. What are communicable diseases? You know the meaning communicable means if the disease may spread from one person to another, the disease is called communicable disease. Normally, communicable diseases are caused due to infections. That means if disease germs attack our body, we will be having illnesses. And what are germs? Germs are tiny organisms that we cannot see with our eye. We can only be observed under a microscope. What is a microscope? Microscope is an instrument which magnifies very small things bigger in size. So, if we observe these germs under the microscope, we will be able to see different kinds of germs. Now, what are the different kinds of germs? The different kinds of germs are bacteria, viruses, fungi and protozoa. Bacteria, viruses, fungi and protozoa. These are the four major types of disease germs. And how are communicable diseases spread? The communicable diseases spread from one person to another through the food we eat, the water we drink, and the air we breathe, and also the insect bites and direct contact. These are the different ways in which we get communicable diseases. Now, let's first know about how do we get or the communicable diseases spread through infected food and water. What is an infected food? If the food we eat may get any kind of germs or the water we drink may contain any kind of germs, such a food and water are said to be infected food or infected water. They are also known as contaminated food. Contaminated. What is contaminated? Contaminated means if the food we eat or the water we drink may contain disease germs, such type of food are called contaminated food. And the diseases which we get through contaminated food and water are typhoid, cholera, tuberculosis, jaundice, dysentery and food poisoning. Okay? Typhoid, cholera, tuberculosis, jaundice, dysentery and food poisoning. These are the different diseases which are caused due to eating or by consumption of contaminated food and water. Now let's think, how do these food get germs? You know, children, the germs are normally breeding in garbage or waste disposing centers. Okay, and the bees, insects, and other flies happen to go and visit these garbages or waste materials, and the disease germs which are breeding in the waste may get into the hairy hairs of these insects. So, the disease germs will get attached to the hairy hairs present in the legs of these insects. And when they happen to sit on the uncovered food, these disease germs spread everywhere in the food. Or if any mosquito or any bee happen to fall in water, that water becomes contaminated. This is how the food and water get contaminated. So, how can we get away from getting such disease germs? For that, always keep your food kept covered and drink only boiled water and keep away all insects and flies.